So once your profile has been approved by the admin, so all you have to do, you can verify by sending your legal documents of verification. So even if you don't verify without creating a gig, you need this verification for your withdrawal or payout. So as you can see in my payouts, this is where you can set your method, your preferred method of payouts. You can actually set both methods, the bank transfer. That is one fascinating thing about this freelance platform. You can withdraw to your bank or they can pay you through Payoneer. Now, you fill in these details, then in your withdrawal. So this in my case, now I have zero balance to withdraw because I have not created a gig or I've not gotten a project from the platform. Though this is just to tell you how to create a profile and create a gig on the platform. So the next stage, you head to create a gig. So in this session, this is where you actually create your services or gig. So gigs, services that you render, you can create multiple services. Maybe as a digital marketer, you are all into social media marketing. You're also into SEO, so on and so forth. So in this session, so now I want to create a gig. All I have to do is enter a title for my services. So I will always encourage freelancers to create a title that is search engine optimizable. So I can say maybe I will design a modern minimal minimalist logo for your company. So this is the service that I will be rendering. So what category does my freelancer belong to? What category does my services belong to? So this can fall into the category of design, design and creative. So how long will it take me to deliver this service? So I can say it will take me a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, so on and so forth. So it all depends on what your service entails. So let's say this service will take me 1 day to deliver. So my response time, when I get a message from a client, how long does it take me to reply? So I will set my response time because I always get the email notification on my emails. So whenever there is a message, you can always get the email notification on your email. So let me say my response time is going to be 1 hour. So your English level, so it all depends on your English level. It can be basic, it can be conversational, it can be fluent, so on and so forth. So you select the English level. So type. So this price type, what you just have to select is the package. So in this package, you can create the basic package. So in this basic package, you can say, so this is what you are designing, a logo for a business for clients. So you can say the basic, you will design just one logo. So this description is to let your clients know, okay, when I subscribe to your basic package, this is what I will get. So you can input whatever description that you want, maybe one logo for your business, so on and so forth. So then, how long will it take you to deliver this basic package? Maybe 1 day. So how many revision will this package have? Maybe two revisions. The essence of this session is to let clients know. Okay, probably our clients might tell you, okay, what to design. We need a kind of modification, so you have to revisit your work. So your revisions, you can set how many number of revision you are going to give for the package. So you input your features. If your basic package has more features, you can include maybe one logo, so so on and so forth. So then what price does the basic package entails? You can say your basic package is $10. Then you can add, though I always encourage freelancers to add up to 3 packages. So after the basic, you can have the standard, which is the standard package. So in this standard package, you can say, okay, you design 3 logos with so the essence of this is to let clients know, okay, in my standard package, this is what you will get when you subscribe to my, when you buy my standard package. So the delivery time, because the standard package comes with more workload than the basic. So the delivering time, you can say maybe 2 to 3 days. The revision, when you subscribe to the standard package, you are going to have 3 revisions. So the features, you can equally input what other benefits that your clients will have when they subscribe to your standard package, and what is the price for the standard package. You can say, okay, your standard package is $25. Then you go for the premium package. So the premium, so you input your description for the premium package. This is to let clients know, okay, this is what you benefit when you subscribe to the premium package, so on and so forth. Then the number of days of time it will take you to execute this project. It can be 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, so on and so forth. Then the number of revision, so you can say, okay, you will get up to 10 revisions or more or less. Then you include the extra features that the client will benefit when they buy your premium package. Then the price for the premium package, you can say, is $50. Then you go to the description of your services. So in this description, you give details of what your client will benefit from, what your service actually entails. So you give a well detailed description of your service. So this will let your clients know, okay, you are a specialist in these services that you are providing. So I always encourage fellow freelancers to pay a close attention to, whenever they are putting their services, you give a word description, a detailed description of your services, so on and so forth. Then you can input your location. So I can say my location is Finland. So your image, the feature image of your services is very important. So whenever you are creating a service, you pay attention to what you're doing, because the first point of contact when a client sees your gig is the image. So you pay very close attention to your image. So I will upload an image. So you can actually add more image to display in your services. So here, this is where the extra services come into play. So to add the extra service, okay, I have to display how to add extra service to your gig. So this is your FAQ session. So maybe your question could be, so you just assume, okay, probably this is what a client will love to ask you. So you fill in this session. So you can have more than one FAQ. So you can add more. Then when you are done, you save and preview your services or your gig. So once you've done all that, you can now preview your services. So this is what you've created. So this is the basic, this is the standard, and this is your premium. So if everything is well done, so all you just have to do, you submit your service for approval. So you will get this notification: service submitted successfully. Your listing will be visible once approved. So once the admin approve your services, it will be displayed among the services. So that is how to create a service on Uptiers platform.